Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this extremely messy bedroom clean with me. My bedroom had gotten pretty dirty and was in dire need of a deep clean. So I'm just starting at my husband's desk and throwing away all the trash and water bottles and taking the dishes to the kitchen. And my daughter conveniently walked in when I needed to do that. So I was like, here you go, girl, take these for mommy. But like I said, my bedroom was pretty messy, so I'll be doing some deep cleaning throughout this whole video. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, hey, my name is Stephanie McQueen. I am a married, stay-at-home mom, homeschool mom, working mom, and I love to post real motivational cleaning videos for you guys in hopes that I can encourage you to get up and clean along with me. So if you do have a messy bedroom, I would love to tackle the mess with you. And of course, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so you don't miss my future uploads, and give this video a thumbs up just so I know what type of content that you guys like to see. So let's go ahead and get into this. If you guys would like to see the more behind the scenes of my life, I'm over on Instagram at Steph_L McQueen. I would love for you guys to follow me over there. shout out to my subscriber that told me how I could hang this mirror on the wall. It fell off and someone told me that I could hang it up by putting 2 nails at the bottom, and it definitely worked. So thank you so much for that. I wanted to shampoo the carpets in my room, especially the areas that had a lot of stains. I've been avoiding this for so long, but I'm finally doing it.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.